That freaking spinner, man. You want to switch it up, you want to do this and that, but if you just lock one in your hand all day, you'll catch fish. Oh, here's another one. All right, back again for a little redemption. It's supposed to be sunny today, in the high 40s, about 42 degrees, and raining. So, upstate New York, baby. Gonna go out there and brace the suck, get after it, get on some fish. Here we go. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Hit my other poles. Yeah, let's do this. Let's motor up to that second point. Yeah. Oh, do I gotta pull us out? Or are you pulling us in to get your... Oh my God. What? No. I gotta go out.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, open your bail. Because my line's gonna sink.
Okay, go.
I just casted my whole freaking spool up.
Oh, I see it.
I just gotta grab it real quick and then we'll go right back in. Yeah, I'm getting low on my spool, but I didn't realize that was getting this low. All right, we'll go back now.
I don't want to.
What'd I tell you, dude? Spinner bait.
I don't want to lose it.
Spinner bait, baby.
Ooh, it's a chunker.
Yeah, smallmouth too. I told you this little.
Buddy.
Oh,
yeah, buddy.
There it is.
Yeah, buddy.
Bruh.
Woo.
That's a good
Wow,
smallie, dude. Grab that sucker, bruh.
Yeah, man.
You got it?
Oh, he's just like, let me go, let me go.
There you go.
Thanks, man. Oh, nice.
Skunks out of the boat. Jeez,
Yeah,
took
with a
all
nice
day.
fish.
We had to wait for the sun to come out.
With a nice one. Oh, yeah.
How warm did he feel?
He was pretty warm.
Nice.
The water is actually a lot warmer than the air.
Dip your hands in it once in a while and get warm.
Look at that cloud coming.
Over here.
Oh, look at over that way.
Yeah, Jesus.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, it's not going to rain after 10 a.m. or whatever it said.
No way, dude. This is crazy. Oh my.
It like stings when it hits your hand. My hands are all cold and shit.
Oh, it does. Ah. One hit me in the face and it stung. Ah.
At least it sounds like it's getting worse.
Yeah, we're in trouble.
I don't know how that'll come through, but there's just like a ray of sunshine just crushing down through some clouds on this one point. Don't like the weather, give it 5 minutes. If I don't catch a fish today, it'd be like the first time I went out and didn't catch a fish in about 4 months.
Oh.
Start throwing the desperate drop pretty soon exclusively.
The desperate drop. The cold cranking hours and all that stuff.
Yeah, something like that.
Ah, it might be a pickerel. I can't tell what it is. Drag it in.
Bring it over here. Oh, it's a bass, dude.
Yeah.
It's a largemouth. Bring it over. I got him.
Yeah. Oh, he's pretty chunky.
That's a good one, dude. He's kind of warm too. Oh shit.
Is he warm? Oh.
That's a decent little chunk.
He's okay. Okay.
Nice.
That's pretty nice. Thanks, buddy. That was fun.
He gone.
He's gone.
Not freaking.
The net?
Nah, it's a small one. It's a smallmouth though.
Nice.
I wasn't even filming.
Oh, you weren't?
No, I mean I'm filming now.
Oh, that's a nice one, man.
It's okay. We each caught a fish. Oh, he got the main hook too. He really wanted it. So, little guy.
The smallies
buddy.
are active, man. You want a picture or something?
Nah, I'm good.
Nice. The smallies are. They have these little windows. There's no difference. The window of.
Told you that freaking spinner, man. You want to switch it up, you want to do this and that, but if you just lock one in your hand all day, you'll catch fish.
It's tried and tested.
Oh, it's another one.
Got one. Is it pretty good?
Oh, dude, it hammered it. It does feel pretty good.
I'll get the net.
Oh, dude, it knocked slack in my line.
Oh, he's a beast, dude.
Decent largemouth. Oh, nice.
Oh, yo, he's a fatty.
Woo.
That's the one of the day, dude.
Dude, he knocked slack in my line. You could see it too, because he hit it hard and he probably didn't have it good, but because of that trailer hook, dude.
Oh, is that what it was?
It's the only reason I caught him, I bet. Nah, I'm good, dude. It's a good solid chunk. Healthy boy. Yeah, he's, dude, fish are warmer than the air. By a long shot.
Yeah, yeah.
They're living better life down there than we are out here. There he goes. Dude, I'm going 5 and it won't freaking turn us.
Should I fire this up?
I think you're gonna have to, actually. You can hear the wind picking up. Yeah, we're about to freaking hit this stupid thing. God damn it. What the hell? Jesus. Like, what was that?
Yeah.
Hey, the wind's blowing us this way now.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, blowing us way too hard now.
This direction, I guess.
That's how it always goes, dude. Unbelievable. All right, last cast. Yeah.